Today I'm at Anjamapura border crossing in Bangladesh. As you can see behind me, there are approximately 3,000 Rohingya refugees have arrived overnight and in the early hours of the morning. You can hear the children crying, and they have been walking for days, many of them up to 2 weeks, hiding in the forest, crossing rivers like this one, across paddy fields, fearing for their lives, escaping the violence that they found in their villages. Many of them saw their homes being burned. They've lost relatives along the way, and they're desperate for help. UNHCR is here on the ground. We're ready to relocate them, provide them shelter, medical assistance, water and sanitation facilities, and of course, psychosocial trauma care after all of the ordeals that they have survived. The needs are growing every day as more people arrive, so we need you to help us. Please donate today.